here, and the guys are set up and they've moving some boulders in for Waterfall. They're working on cleaning up, grading, compacting the existing ground. They actually just finished unburying the plumbing that was left for us by the pool builder, and we are getting set to build the waterfall. So the plan is we're going to have two sets of waterfalls, one there and one next to Jordan. It's going to have a stream bed that will dump down into two falls that will hit on the left and the right hand side. So when they're sitting on their shelf over there, they can enjoy having the water cascade over them. Guys are moving in the dirt. Boulders in. Some of the big ones are laid all the way around. Give them the first set. Some of the big ones. And then I'll take you in the front where we've got a couple of the dive stones. Unfortunately, we had tight access, and Mason, who was supposed to make it impossible for us to do anything, but Mason didn't show, so we're doing the best we can. So, but we've got two beautiful dive stones that we're going to use for the edge of the first falls. They'll cascade on the one. So we've got our grade kind of set. We've put our underlayment in, put our liner down, put the liner on top, and then I just kind of sprayed out for the guys what the game plan is. And now we're working on picking a couple of rocks, and the guys are bringing the dive stones in. So we've got our bottom rocks all set. We've got our two spillways set. All the big materials moved in. Unfortunately, we had to do everything by hand since we have very little access. You know, only had about 4 feet here and equal to that on the side, and couldn't really get a machine in here. So figured I'd give you a quick video of what we got through the first take. Got the heavy stuff in. We'll get everything wrapped up and finished tomorrow. Mossed in and looking good. So the two spillways are set. The middle frame rock is in, the other frame rock is in. We didn't get the last one in, but we have it sitting over there. We'll go in first thing. Today was a very hot one, so we've lost our energy this afternoon. We did pretty well. We got all the big stuff in by hand, the other stuff moved around, and progress is being made.
Hey guys, Jordan here out in Bellmore, and today we are back at a job that we did roughly a couple months ago, kind of towards the beginning of the season, where we built a waterfall onto someone's pool, and now we are back to do some planting, raise some grades. So let me turn around and kind of show you what we are working on today. So this is the feature we put in roughly 3-4 months ago, and now they want to plant this whole area out through here. So what we're doing now, there's a giant void behind the waterfall, between the waterfall and the fence, so we're bringing that up. So when we put our trees and our hedgeline stuff back there, it will not be so hidden.
So I stopped back. This is a house we did in the summer. We put a waterfall into his pool. We've started landscaping. We have to come back in another couple days, mulch it, add a couple more flowers. Here's his waterfall. Want something with 2 big drops. Add it into the corner where he's got a seat. We then got serviceberry, a plum, a pin oak, some junipers, skyland spruce, a blue spruce, cryptomeria, large golden hinoki cypress, and viburnums. They wanted a lot of color, but color with texture, less than color with plants. So there's what we got.